What are some of the most important terms that you need to learn if you're a new realtor? Yep. Purchase agreement. What is a purchase agreement? Well, the purchase agreement is the actual offer that you write. If you're the buyer's agent, that you're going to present over to the listing agent. If you're the listing agent, that's what you're going to get from the buyer's agent with all the terms of what the buyer's looking for as far as closing. Contingencies, dates, date of closing, whether they're actually going to pay cash or whether they're getting a loan on the property, if there's an appraisal contingency on there, if there's a home inspection contingency on there, if they're looking for closing cost. If the buyer is asking for closing costs, you definitely want to put it on the purchase agreement, right? So, and the seller, of course, has to agree with that. EMD, earnest money deposit. So this is the amount of money that you're actually going to put with the offer. And this money actually will get credited back to your buyer if you're a buyer's agent. It sits in a non-interest bearing account with either a title company, the settlement attorney, or the real estate broker, depending on how you write it in the actual offer, right? So EMD, earnest money deposit, financing, if it's financing, you're definitely going to actually put a date on there where you need to let the listing agent know, if you're the buyer's agent, what the deadline is for that financing commitment. So the financing commitment means that the buyer has to get their loan approved. Appraisal process, checking documents, W-2s, pay stubs, down payment, whether they're getting the down payment from a friend, a family member, or it's actually an account in their savings account, or their checking account, or in stocks, or 401k, wherever they're getting their down payment from. But going back again, no, they can get down payment, they can get it as a gift if they wanted to, if they don't have a down payment. And those, a lot of times is in the cases of where it's an FHA loan, you can get a down payment from a family member. But just remember, the family member, they have to verify that they have these funds to give to the buyer. So more than likely, and yes, the lender is going to ask for a copy of that person's bank statement to prove that they had the money to give it to the buyer. So paper trail, they're going to paper trail everything if they're getting funds as a gift. Just remember that. And hopefully this helps, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, be blessed, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.